2025, the opening salvo kakalang gabi pagahiwatan ang Pandan Local Government Unit Night or the Pandan LGU Night. Inagang ang adlaw April 9, 2025 pagahiwatan ang Senior Citizens Night. Sa April 10, 2025, ang SK Municipal Federation and Liga Night. And on April 11, 2025, the ERPAT Night. Pagasundan sa April 12, 2025, the Battle of the Bands sa Banwa, Pandan. On April 20, 2025, malumpati ekuron kag sa gabi pagahiwatan ang Pandan Educators Night. On April 21, 2025, the Latin American Dance Sports Competition kag ang Pandan National Vocational High School Alumni Homecoming. On April 22, 2025, babaylan kang Palangaw in Pandan